With work quickly approaching, you want to do something quick on the grill. So what I do, sausage. That's right, sausage. And if you're anything like me, you like your sausage juicy. The same way I like mine. That's right. Let's give these a roll. We'll see what we got. We're doing these offset. Offset, baby. Cause we don't want to bust the casing. Got some wood in there, you know, for flavor. Let's give these a roll. Bang. Bang. Offset. You know, coals over here. Sausage here. Let's go. And you only roll the sausage 2 times. That's right. 2 times. Don't look. Just roll it. Roll it. Just roll. And the reason I say 2 times, because in the beginning, we're just smoking. The second time is when we sear it. See what we got. Look at that. We're just gonna put it there. We're gonna sear these now. Check this out. We flip them. They got the perfect browning. Flip them. We're gonna let them go for a little bit longer. Look at that.